Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to replace air filter for your furnace. Begin by turning off the furnace to isolate power before handling internal components safely for safe and reliable operation. Open the filter access panel to reveal the filter slot so the used filter can be removed. Slide the used filter out of the slot, noting the airflow direction arrow printed on the filter frame. Place the used filter into a trash receptacle to keep your workspace clean and free of loose dust. Remove the new filter from its packaging and confirm the filter media is clean and undamaged. Insert the new filter fully into the slot with the airflow arrow pointing toward the furnace blower. Close the filter access panel securely to seal the compartment. Finally, turn the furnace back on to restore normal operation after completing all maintenance steps.